So today we're going to do TeePublic editing. So you go to your storefront and you click on design. Um, and actually, I'm not sure what happened here. We'll go to my account, view my storefront, and then scroll down. And then you pick the design you want to edit. Flying Upload does an amazing job of getting it onto TeePublic, but sometimes you'll want to edit the items a little bit better than what Flying Upload does. So I personally like to make my phone cases as big as possible on there. So this bar is how you make it larger. You can horizontally center it, and you can vertically center it. And I think that's the best I can do for that one. That's the iPhone case. This is a laptop case. So I'm going to make this as big as I can. Oh, the other thing is do I want, going back to the phone case, do I want to change this color, this background color? So if I did, maybe it would be to make it a yellow. That's not bright enough. Let's see here. No, I'm not a fan of that. I normally just leave it the way it is, but let's try this pink. Doesn't show up very well. Let's see if we make it a darker pink. What happens? Okay, I think that looks nice. I think that's better than the black. Let's see here. Go with the purple for that one. And then we'll make this as large as we can make it. Okay, I think that looks good. Now, the other thing I like to edit is the pillow here. Make it just a little bit bigger. Make sure it's centered. And then let's see what color might look good. Let's try this. Let's see how that looks with the purple. Very nice. And the other thing I like to adjust is the tote bag. And I'm going to make this bigger using this scale slider to make it bigger. Going to horizontally center and vertically center to make sure it's still good. So I think it's a little bit too big. Make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to center it again. And let's see. That looks nice. And then let's pick a different background besides the black. wonder what a dark green would look like. I think that looks nice just to have something pretty different. We can change the tapestries as well. Make it as big as possible. Horizontally center it and vertically center it. It looks pretty centered already. Just make it a smidge smaller just in case it's gonna mess up printing if it's all the way at the border. And then the background. Let's see. I think that looks good. This background. That looks good. We're going to enlarge it. Then horizontally center it and vertically center it. I think I made it a little bit too. I think I made it a little bit too big, so I'm going to go back here and slide it a little bit smaller. And then horizontally center it, vertically center it. Oh, my computer's going crazy. Clicking too many things at once. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just scroll down and hit save because I don't want to lose everything I just did. My computer is acting funny now. Saying danger. I don't know what all that is. Okay, so you scroll down here and you click save all changes, and then all the design changes that you just made should show up. Let me see if I can X out of here. There we go. And I feel like you have to hit refresh to be able to see the changes that you just made. And I'm scrolling through here to look for the changes we made, but none of the products that we made the changes on are showing up here. So I wonder what happens if I click on View in Uploader. Okay. No, that's not what I want because I want to see the actual designs. Okay, I think my computer is just going too slow at this point. The OBS slows it down sometimes. Let's click on my account. Oops. View my storefront. And scroll down here. And this is the one we were just working on. Scroll down here. And we can see the changes we made here and here for the totes and the tapestries. So it looks good. So that's how I like to edit my TeePublic designs. And um, let me know if you think there's a better way to do anything. Leave it any comments you like in the comment section. Have a wonderful day. Talk soon. Thank you. Bye bye.